design spacesuits and test spacesuits, right?
Right. I work on advanced spacesuits, but my specialty is gloves.
Gloves. Let's talk about gloves. I want to learn about gloves.
Okay. We've got two different kinds here. One is an older style that we still use on the shuttle, but we've made improvements. This is a 4000 series glove that are currently flying in the space shuttle.
So that's what the spacewalkers wear outside, but it doesn't have all the layers on it, right?
Right. Because you need extra layers to help protect you from the heat and cold of space, which are very extreme. It goes from oven hot to freezing cold.
So that's what these things are here.
Right.
Awesome.
This white layer is the thermal garment on the glove.
And tell us about this little switch on the side. I think this is cool.
That's not actually can control heaters in their fingertips, and they can turn those heaters on and off with that switch.
Okay, so these are the heaters there?
Right. These little gold foils here are the heaters that are turned on by the switch that you just saw.
And I can tell you, they work very well.
They work very well?
Use those on my last
now these are just, so they're like a ski glove that's heated, right?
Exactly. It's just some little heater elements on the tips of the fingers, and you can turn them on and off if you need them.
And I hate being cold and wet when I'm skiing. So this is very, very important. You wouldn't have a problem being wet outside in space, but you would have a problem being cold. I really have to ask you about this. This is so funny. I'm going to move this down here so people can see it. These things are actually your hands, aren't they?
This is actually Dad's hand, and this is my hand, and we start with hand molds when we build custom gloves.
But Amy, I think we have a glove box here for you to demonstrate, right? Let's do that.
Okay.
Why don't you put your hand in one of these gloves, all right? And Amy's going to talk you through this.
Okay. What we are doing here is we have air sucked out of the inside of this box so that the air in the room fills in the arms and the gloves so the suit feels like it's pressurized, like it does when you go outside and do a spacewalk. And what we would have her do is move her hands around in the glove and pick up the items in the glove box so that she could determine how well she fits in the glove and how well she would be able to do her job.
And so, are you getting a feel for that?
I guess.
Would you like to do that for 7 or 8 hours?
No.
Not for 7 or 8 hours. Jerry's done that many times for 7 or 8 hours. It's hard to squeeze things, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a lot like grabbing a tennis ball and squeezing it for 7 hours in a row. That's how hard it is to move in a pressurized glove.